Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. GBP USD clings to gains near session tops, just below mid-1.3100s ahead of US data. http ntvforex.com News ID 2180FA 6 minutes ago by Haresh Menghani. GBP USD regains strong positive traction on Tuesday amid some renewed USD selling bias. Bulls seemed rather unaffected by Brexit uncertainties and weaker UK CBI realised sales data. The positive move runs the risk of fizzling out quickly ahead of the Jackson Hole Symposium. The GBP USD pair maintained its strong bid tone through the early North American session and refreshed daily tops, around the 1.3145 region in the last hour. The pair showed some resilience near mid-1.3000s and caught some fresh bids on Tuesday, snapping 2 consecutive days of the losing streak to over 1-week lows. The strong intraday positive move was sponsored by the emergence of some fresh selling around the US dollar. The prevalent risk on mood, amid positive news on a potential treatment for COVID-19 and US-China trade talks, undermined the greenback's relative safe haven status against its British counterpart. This, in turn, was seen as a key factor driving the GBP-USD pair higher. The global risk sentiment remained well supported by reports that the Trump administration is considering fast-tracking the authorization of an experimental vaccine being developed by AstraZeneca and Oxford University for use in the US ahead of the elections. Meanwhile, the US Trade Representative's office said in a statement that both the US and China see progress made on resolving issues in Phase 1 trade deal between the two countries. The development further boosted investors' appetite for riskier assets. On the other hand, the British pound seemed rather unaffected by the lack of progress in Brexit talks. Bullish traders even shrugged off the data, which showed that the UK retail sector is struggling. In fact, the Confederation of British Industria's distributive trade survey fell into negative territory in August, to 6% from the 4% reading in July. From a technical perspective, the GBP-USD pair now seems to have found acceptance above 100-hour SMA and now seems poised to gain further. Some follow-through buying beyond mid-1.3100s will reaffirm the bullish bias and push the pair further towards reclaiming the 1.3200 mark. However, bulls might refrain from placing aggressive bets ahead of the Fed Chair Jerome Powell's speech at the Jackson Hole Symposium, later this week. Hence, any subsequent positive move runs the risk of fizzling out rather quickly. Market participants now look forward to the U.S. economic docket, highlighting the release of the Conference Board's Consumer Confidence Index. The data, along with the broader market risk sentiment, will influence the USD price dynamics and produce some short-term trading opportunities. Technical levels to watch: GBP USD overview today, last price 1.3127, today daily change 0.0063, today daily change percent 0.48, today daily open 1.3064, NBSP trends daily SMA 20 1.3084, daily SMA 50 1.2762, daily SMA 100 1.2591, daily SMA 200 1.2723, NBSP levels: previous daily high 1.3149, previous daily low 1.3054, previous weekly high 1.3267, previous weekly low 1.3059, previous monthly high 1.317, previous monthly low 1.236, daily Fibonacci 38.2%, 1.309, daily Fibonacci 61.8%, 1.3113, daily pivot point S1 1.3029, daily pivot point S2 1.2994, daily pivot point S3 1.2934, daily pivot point R1 1.3124, daily pivot point R2 1.3184, daily pivot point R3 1.3219, NBSP. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.